lovers, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this ready to wear 7x4 22-inch wig from Wiggins Hair. And let me tell you all, it came with these curls and the curls are absolutely eating. So let me show you all the back. Like, this is where the hair falls on me. It is really, really nice. Very cutesy, cutesy, cutesy. And this wig, I really just put it on, maybe put a little makeup on the part, and that's it. Like, it's just giving, you guys. So Wiggins actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the wig. We are going to go ahead and unbox this wig together and really get into it. I'm really excited. I feel like Wiggins always does a really good job with their glueless wigs, so I am pretty excited. And look at here, we got an orange box, and I love orange. Y'all know orange is like my favorite color, so I am excited. It's giving excited. Okay. Okay, so we got it. Here is the box, a very pretty box, orange for the girlies. Wiggins, bam, bam, bam. Let's open it up and let's see what we have in here. So the wig is 22 inches, but we're gonna sit that to the side and look at some of these gifts we got. So, firstly, you get a pair of lashes, very cutesy, cutesy, cutesy. Have a wig cap here. HD wig cap at that. Here's a little bag for storage of your wig. I love these bags. Edge brush. And lastly, a Wiggins headband. So let's sit this to the side, and now we're gonna actually look at this wig and see what we have over here, you guys. So, okay, so here are these little adhesive tape pieces you can use to actually like put your wig down. So I like those. I just got hip to those and they're kind of nice, you guys. I just found out about them. Okay, so let's actually look at this wig. Okay, I can already see it looks fire, you guys. I can already see they kind of did their thing, and it's pre-curl. Look at those curls, you guys. The curls are eating. This is a ready to wear wig. Like, you do not have to style this thing at all. But let's look at this lace. Look at that hairline. That hairline looks gorgeous. Okay, that is really, really nice. This is how I like my wigs plucked. Not too much, nothing too crazy, but you know, it still gives, it still eats, you guys. I love, love, love that. So, let me show you all the inside of this wig. So, it does have an elastic band, so you can tighten it or loosen it as much as you want. So this will make sure your wigs are super duper duper secure, you guys. And let me show you all this lace, honey. So this is a nice amount of parting space, so you can obviously have a very nice long middle part, and you also have a little room on the sides to do baby hairs. Like, if you like baby hairs on the temples, like, that's my thing. I like baby hairs on the temples, but you can do that if that's something you like to do. So this is really, really cutesy. Bam, 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 22 inches. So I'm not gonna rake out the curls yet because I do not want to mess it up at all, but actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and slap this wig on. Like, I'm not even gonna put any lace tint on it. I'm just gonna put it on. And if I need to add makeup or anything later, I'll do that. But it looks really, really cute right now. So, oh, okay. So this is also HD lace on the back. I didn't even read that. And 22 inches in medium cap size. So you can change your cap size if you feel like you have a larger head or a smaller head. But let me put this wig on, you guys. Okay. Bring this forward a little bit because it is back a little far. And straight out the package, this is how the wig is looking. This is what we're working with. I feel like Wiggins has some of the most secure glueless wigs. I really do, because this wig is not going anywhere. I can tell you that. It is not going anywhere. But look at that. Let's add a little bit of makeup to the lace over here. It looks good, but I feel like we can make it look insanely good. Like, this looks good though. But let's fix it. Add just a little bit of makeup. And it looks good. Now let's work out these curls a little bit. See what we're working with these curls. Okay, now this looks really, really bomb. It really does. Let's work out these curls. Okay, it's getting stuck in my lip gloss, but yeah, this is really, really pretty. So yeah, you do have parting space if you do want to kind of do a little side part or something, but this is nice. I like this. This is very grown and sexy. Let me make sure I actually melt this down a little bit. So I'm just gonna hot comb the top, and other than that, I'm really not gonna have to do much of anything to this wig, you guys. So bam. And let's add a little bit of makeup in the part to make sure the part just pops and eats. Okay, looks cute, cutesy, cutesy. It's actually a little more. Okay, it is eating. Okay, now it is coming together. This wig is just so easy to customize, you guys. Like, bam. Now it's looking good. Doing that little cuff thing is gonna make it look a little more realistic. But this is a great wig to just throw on if you're in between hairstyles. This really is the perfect wig if you're in between hairstyles, you just want to go to the grocery store real quick. Like, this is really it. And let me tell you, my hair is not well braided at all underneath this wig. So your hair does not have to be laid or anything. You could put your hair in a ponytail and still be good. And as you all can see, look at that. The lace looks really good, but it's not glued down at all. But this wig is secure and tight, you guys. It is really tight. That's what you're seeing. That's why I can't just lift it all the way. Like, this is a very secure wig. I'm kind of obsessed. I'm actually loving that. This wig is very secure, and I'm just in love with these curls. The curls are really cute. Okay, I like it, I like it. But of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Like, that was so easy, you guys. Like, look at that. Bam. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.